How to fix Roblox can't accept friend request. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So you're not being able to accept friend request on Roblox? If the button does not work or gives you error, here's a simple solution. So now let's get started. So first, let's talk about why you can't accept a request. And here are the most common reasons. If you already have 200 friends, the maximum limit is 200, so you cannot add more people. And the person who sent you the request has reached their friend limit, or your privacy settings are blocking requests, and there is a problem with the app or the browser that you're using. So first, you need to check the number of his friends that you have, and then try another platform. If you're using the app, try accessing the Roblox from the browser or vice versa. You can go to roblox.com, log into your account, and try accepting the request again. You can also try clearing the cache of the app or the browser. For that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right, go to Settings, click on Privacy and Security, then click on Delete Browsing Data. Make sure that you check the box of cookies and other site data and then cached images and files. Now go ahead and tap on Delete Data, but before that, make sure that you set the time range as well, and you'll be done. Make sure that the Roblox app is updated to the latest version available on the App Store or Play Store according to your device. And then you can also go to Settings of your Roblox, then go to Privacy and Content Maturity, click on Communication, go through all these settings, and make sure that Who Can Send Me Friend Request option is set to everyone. If none of the solutions work, you can visit roblox.com/support and then submit your report on this. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section which solution worked for you, and like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Roblox solutions every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.